Since 1960, Porter's Tire has been serving this community with friendly service, affordable pricing, and a wide range of tires to fulfill all your automotive needs. We offer new and used tires, lawnmower tires, tractor tires, car and truck tires, semi-truck tires, trailer tires, and more. Over the years, we've added tire recycling and making tire mulch on site. We recycle tires from all over our region, plus Ohio, West Virginia, and Indiana. If it's round rubber and rolls, we can get it for you. So wherever your drive takes you, let us help you get there.